Hello guys, Windows 8 Fan 2012 here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can install the new version of retiled on Windows 8.1. Now, for a simpler way to put this of how exactly this works, this is just going to require you to sideload some Windows 8.1 apps that will be linked in the description. These are basically just the same exact ones as the pre-installed ones, except they've been messed around with and edited so that they point to a different server, so that it actually shows live tiles and the app work. So first off, you're going to go to a link that I'll just leave in the description, which will contain the NewRetiled, and you're just going to go ahead and install that and extract it like I have done here. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and install all of these APPXs, but before you do so, make sure that you've uninstalled the versions through here. Now, I haven't yet, so for example, for Bing Finance, you would uninstall Bing Money, or MSN Money. Now that I've done that, you just want to, okay, before I do this though, make sure you have sideloading enabled, which I have a tutorial for doing, so that it actually works properly. But for the certificate, you just open that up, install it to the location or the local machine, go to place all certificates in the following store, and then trusted root certification authorities. Once you do that, you just want to click on finish, and the certificate's installed. Now, to install it, you can either use a PowerShell script, or you can use WS app package install, which I recommend using instead of the PowerShell. Should just open up, and you should be able to run that. Once you do that, you just want to wait for that to install. Shouldn't take too long, considering it's a small size. And once that's done, it's gonna process, and then you can quit, and you'll see that it's back. When you open it up, it's just gonna open up like normal, except this time now, you are going to be seeing the top stories, which is great. So this one's a little bit bare bones right now. The only thing for the live tile that shows actually is the top story that's on. Some stuff like the market, shares, and all that stuff doesn't really work, and it is taking a bit of time for me to load. So for the time being, I'm just going to go ahead and install all of these. So, bye-bye. I just finished installing all the apps, and once you do, your start screen should look like this. You're going to see this. It's going to look absolutely beautiful. Now, from what I know, lots of the UI just does not work right now, so they'll probably get patches and stuff in the future to be fixed. As for health and fitness, you're probably wondering, doesn't that have a patched app, so why does it not have a live tile? And to that, I say I have absolutely no idea. I'm going to probably assume that it's something to do with the servers right now, and that it will probably get fixed in like a few hours or tomorrow. So if you just wait some time, the live tile should just pop in at some point when it gets fixed by the creative retiled. As for literally like the weather, the only thing you'll need to set up is weather. If you're not getting any live tiles right now, make sure you enter the app, because there could be something with the registering and you might have to go into the app before updating for it works. As for weather, if you see issues with text and stuff, that's usually due to broken CSS files, which is what displays all this information. And for your location, you just need to make sure you set it as your home to fix that. That's basically it. Every other thing doesn't need any kind of setting up. It will just pop in when you install the app. So, to that I say, thank you guys for watching. I hope this tutorial helped anybody. Any sources for tutorials or links to the apps I download are going to be in the description, and peace out.